just realized I'm matching with my bike today. Welcome guys to today's video where I, don't worry about the hammering noises, but basically I have got all the parts for my bike motor from Elfaster. This is not sponsored. That would be nice though. We are going to be putting the motor on. Today is the 25th, and the motor is coming on Wednesday, so that would be the 27th. Well, not the motor, the battery. I have the motor right here, but I found out how to hook everything up, and it's actually like super easy if you just like, you know, read this thing. Oh, it's on this side. Okay. Well, you can see, like, it tells you red, black, yellow, blue. You know, all you need to do, you can wire a brake, you can wire a light, you know, all that stuff. And I think that's pretty cool that you can do something, you know, easily. Whenever I ride it, though, I'm probably going to lower the seat so I have a better center of gravity. Because, like, even if I had a bigger bike, I don't know. But somehow I have convinced myself to spend around I guess over $400 on this. So I guess this is like my project car now. But anyway, so I put new brakes on it. I have put the speedometer on it with my phone mount. Yeah, so I guess let's go ahead and get this mounted. So where do we start? We have tons of stuff, but where does the stuff go? That's the real question here. So put this box on the bucket so I can put the general parts on the chair. So here is the motor. Oh, so okay. So it's got like a clutch on here basically. This kit comes with bushings, so you can, you know, put them on the wheel. It goes on the spokes, and it has a chain, like it has a gear. And another big chain. It comes with hardware, all that. It's got, I guess, a sticker you can use if you want. I might not. I don't know. Probably not. So, here's the bracket. I've heard that you may have to bend it if you're doing this. It is a left mount, so it goes right here. Alright, so, we're going to look up a video on how to do this. And, you know, that's kind of funny because we're already in a video. So, I'm going to pull it up because I know I have seen it already. Elfaster e-bike kit. Here we go. And it was like $160, and I got a protection plan for $20, so about $170. I bought a bike rack for like $25. Bought the brake pads for like $8. This was $5, and yeah, I've spent a lot of money on this. So 450 watts. Speed controller is 500 watts. You know, it's what goes with it. Like, it's in the range for the battery that I bought. Here's a picture of it. But yeah, I mean, this should work really well, I hope. And let's go ahead and start the installation process. Yep, there's all the stuff in the kit that we have too. So, you know, all that stuff that you need. Okay, so this guy took the wheel off for his bike. I'm wondering if I have to do that. Yes, I will have to. Also, by the way, by the way, this video is 7 months old, so I'm just finally getting to it. It's 1st February, 12:15 a.m. I've been working on this since last month, guys. There is the mounting screws. Here's the chain. This is like tire, like cut tire. It reminds me of something I would see in like kindergarten or something. So I'm wondering which part goes where. All these little grooves. Please focus, camera, today. That would be very nice. So you can see all these little grooves right here. And that is what is going to like go on the inside, I'm pretty sure. So I feel like that's how they would do it. But here, like, I don't know. Is it conformed already? Or do you do that? Like, I'm gonna look up a guide for this, like, online. Because I don't think the YouTube video is gonna do it, like, so that's where I'm gonna help you guys out. So I spent a while scrolling through the stuff, looking through all the videos, or at least a few, and what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna help y'all be able to see. I'm gonna make this a lot clearer so you guys can actually see what you need to do to install this. So I'm gonna let you know which way you gotta put the bushings, like all the wiring stuff, which is actually really easy, and it's on the back of this. Which it tells you how to wire it on the back of the speed controller, and everything's really self-explanatory. There's only a couple wires, and all of them, like I said, just very, very simple. So this should be a really easy thing to do. I'm just gonna have to, you know, get a ratchet, start wrenching, and yeah, see how this goes. Zoomed in very far. That's better. Okay guys, so with a little bit of searching on their website, I found a picture of how it's supposed to go on there. I just really need to find out which way the bearings are supposed to be. Like the bushings, I mean. I need to find out which way the bushings are supposed to go on there. I don't know if it's that big of a deal. Just this rough side. I'm just gonna guess that, because that makes the most sense. It is a little damaged right there, but I don't think that's gonna be a big deal, because everything's still in good structural shape. So let's go ahead and mount it, I guess. By the way, that was the right way. After months of beating on it, it still works great. I'm gonna go get a paper towel and wipe this off real quick. One thing I want to assure in this video is that y'all can see everything that we need to do in order to put this on, because I want to be helpful in working on this. So I'm gonna get like the leaf crud, all that off of there. The grease should still be fine, like it's just dirty. Yeah, that's pretty visible, right? Right, guys? So that's a lot cleaner than it was. Cranked right here. Working. Okay. Well, let's keep going. So we got it all cleaned out, so now what do we need to do next? Well, we have some metal brackets, I guess you could say, that go on the back, that came in this bag right here. And these are like the very end. So it would go like in here, basically. Like, wow, that fits like, I think they tried to get it to fit through all that. I think that was their goal. This is supposed to be like a universal kit, and I think that should help for how many mounting holes there are and stuff. So the flat side probably butts up against this. And here we go. We got the back. Oh wait, that wasn't even in frame. My bad, y'all. But we got the bag, so we can start putting this stuff on easier. Because without sockets or anything, it would be pretty hard to do, honestly. I don't even know if we could. Let's see what size they are first. What? It's triangular somewhat, and it's like a lock nut, I suppose. I've never seen anything like that. But it's a 10 millimeter. Who would have guessed? It might be easier to take the wheel off, but I don't know.
Well, guess what, guys? We're taking the wheel off.
If I push on that, that's how tight it is. Like, I can just lean on that.
So right there, I was trying to gauge to remember how tight to tighten it. That's just kind of a useful tip, I guess. I don't know.
And remember that that is a 15 millimeter, which is probably close to a 3/8. I was to guess. We're gonna have to move this up. Oh, there goes the kickstand. We're good so far. That just slides out. So we need to do that on the other side. I don't know why I took this out. I just have to do it again. I need a breaker bar. Okay guys, we're back. I found something pretty close. Not exactly it, but don't worry about my knees, they're fine. It works, so. Dang. It's moving my whole bike. I don't know what to do. Oh, okay. It was just the angle. Doing it on flat is way harder. That's all I had to do. Okay, and that's coming off. Okay, so this moves down. We don't have to pull the chain off. I think the chain is the only thing holding it on there. This is super awkward, y'all. I mean, that's loosened like all the way. I'm getting so much grease on my hands right now. This is fun. I love doing this. Love working on like vehicles and stuff. Cause you know, it's like toys, but bigger and more expensive. So by moving it already, we've gotten it to, I'm running out of storage a little bit, but I got like 20 minutes on here. So hopefully this is a 20-minute job.
More like 15 hours.
Probably not. Okay, that's cool. There's like there's a thing on there, but it looks complicated. It's on like the 3rd gear up, but that might not be where it's always been. On second thought, buckets are pretty similar, right? Okay, so now that we have this suspended in the air, what do we do? Okay, the front is not supported as well as it could be. I'm wondering what I can do to make the balance any better. Because in all honesty, I have no idea what I'm doing. So, the chain's almost off. This just has to spread. Because like the wheel is out, but the brake's holding it on there. Do I have to take the brakes off?
Oh yeah, that's what I have to do.
Can't not pull up. It's wedged in there. Like it's angled tightly. Something is heavily influencing it to be like that.
I wonder why. Hey, what's that weird thing in the way when I'm trying to pull it off?
This is annoying as can be. I don't have anything else to hold that. course it does that. Okay, we got another bucket, but my back's kind of hurting. I'm working on this, so you know that's great. Oh, there's like dampers in the seat. That's cool. I never knew that was a thing, to be honest. Never looked at it, never really paid attention to it. But there's little like dampers in the seat. See, like bushing. Let's get a closer look on that. Get a little close up. I'm sure that's good. Y'all probably saw that.
They did not see that.
I mean, I got like a whole setup. I've got 3 buckets holding this entire thing up, and it's working. That loosening enough? That loosened a lot of tension, and that's like that's the tensioner. Guys, I have a feeling we're gonna get it out of there. As you can see, we are very close. Because it's like out. That's like the only thing holding it on there. Is that. Because this wheel should just drop down. Like it's out. It's just the brakes.
As me editing this video 7 months later, I thought I would have realized by now, and I'm glad I did. Oh my goodness, I looked so dumb. Well, you live and you learn. You know what else is really dumb? The fact that I didn't even record like any of that.
Well, now
it's right out of frame.
With a tiny little metal bit.
Look at that. Right out of frame.
So much fun.
Bro, that's crazy.
Okay guys, we have 47 seconds on the camera, and that should be enough time to pull the chain off, drop the tension, and that is how you get the wheel off. Boom.
So that's going to end it for episode 1. We're going to wrap it up because it's 1:51 a.m. and I'm tired of editing for now. So please subscribe, and I will see you in the next video when episode 2 comes out, hopefully within the next week. Subscribe, and goodbye. Feel free to let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions. If this video was boring, I'm sorry. Yep, just give me suggestions. Subscribe. I really hope I did good, though. This has taken at least 3 hours. Alright. Good night. A total of 7 months and $400 in the making. So please subscribe to make it all worth it.